What's up, guys? Today I'm going to show you how to change your Facebook page name. Are you ready? Let's get started. Okay, click on the Facebook app icon. After that, click on the profile picture of your page. Then click on the gear icon, the setting icon or the gear icon. Page, click on page settings. On the next page with personal information and privacy settings, just click on that page name. By clicking on that page name, you will be allowed to change the name to whatever you like. Click on the text box and change your name to whatever you want. Okay, then enter a password to confirm your changes. Note that Facebook will not allow you to change your name before 6 days elapses. Thank you, guys. Hope that helped someone.